Well, had a coworker. I'm retired now. I had a coworker that was a patient of Dr. Haggard, and he recommended him to me. So the dentist I had before then, I said, why not try Dr. Haggard for what the problem I was having at that time. After that one trip, one visit, I've been coming here ever since. And I was totally impressed with the staff. One of the reasons why I came here is because the staff was so nice, along with they fit the personality of Dr. Haggard, the staff did. Oh, the team was great. Juanetta, I think his name is Juanetta, and Holly, everyone. The hygienist, when I came to get my teeth cleaned, the hygienist, everyone is treating me like, and I don't hate to say it, but like family, you know, here. So made me comfortable, and the procedures were always done just professionally, in my opinion. Well, normal apprehensions have been since childhood about going to a dentist anyway, as much as I tried to take care of my teeth. I think that was a wisdom tooth problem, and I had some apprehensions. But Dr. Haggard, his personality was such a way he made me feel comfortable and at ease about it. And even though it was a wisdom tooth, we got past it, and I've been hooked ever since. And I was into golf at that time, so we'd talk a little bit about golf, and then we'd get into the procedure. And he said, just going to be, once we're into the procedure, he would say there's going to be a slight pinch. You won't even pay any attention to it. We already been talking, so I was almost anesthetized before then, and it just went right along. I didn't even feel the pain. Everyone seems like they work from the same platform, that is to make me feel comfortable and at ease, or like I'm at home. I've had a couple of two tooth extractions. Dr. Ann, of course, has done a tooth implant. It's going very well. With the tooth extraction, of course, I wished I would have done it sooner. That was the problem with having had bridges in the past. That was my problem. I wasn't educated enough to know that bridges were not good, and so once I was educated, I would not recommend that to anyone. Just start with a implant, and you won't regret it. I feel comfortable enough with talking with Dr. Ann and the staff here at the office, although my insurance did not cover the procedure. I felt comfortable enough to know that it was in my best benefit to get this done rather than a bridge and just pay out of pocket, and just be I'm happy with the fact that I was able to pay out of pocket. They explained to me what the procedure would entail. They told me the benefits of having the implant, and explained it to me in total detail about what I not only would experience with the procedure, but then after the procedure, the benefits of having that implant done. So I was really versed on it. My recovery was excellent. In fact, my recovery, in my opinion, was better than a normal tooth extraction recovery. All, as you may know, bridge work, all the grinding and what have you. No, it was better. It's one of the best experiences I've had in a dentist's office, getting that done. Well, of course, with it being on it's on a tooth that is involved with a lot of my chewing. It's a lower portion of my jaw, the lower set of teeth, and it was always involved with eating food. So it's not the front. It wasn't for a cosmetic smile. It's nothing to do with the smile. It's a tooth that can't be seen, but it's a tooth that I'm aware of when eating or chewing. So with that being said, I'm 65 years old, and I want to get some things done going toward the future that's going to be of most benefit to me if I live long enough. I have a family member enjoying himself now in the lobby at this appreciation dinner, and I also have a friend of mine I attended school with. We played football together, and he's here now. I have one other friend that's a cousin. I recommended and invited her to this event. She was not able to make it, but I invited as many people that I could that was close to me. If you need to have your teeth checked, clean, even especially with the hygienist to have the maintenance of my teeth, they have great hygienists here. Both of them are great. So everyone here, the whole staff, I would recommend to anyone to take care of their teeth, because you only have one natural set. And if you're going to do that, do it with the best. And I think this is the best that's the best to offer in this area.